Classic homemade doughnuts recipe. Fluffy, golden, and perfectly sweet, classic fried doughnuts with customizable toppings. Ingredients for the dough: 3½ cups 440 grams all-purpose flour plus extra for dusting. 1/4 cup 50 grams granulated sugar. 1 packet 2¼ teaspoons active dry yeast. 1 cup 240 milliliters warm milk 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. 1/4 cup 60 grams unsalted butter, melted. 1 large egg. Half a teaspoon salt. Oil for frying vegetable, canola, or sunflower. For coating: 1 cup 100 grams powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar. Mix 1/2 cup sugar plus 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Optional. Glaze 1 cup powdered sugar plus 2 to 3 tablespoons milk, chocolate dip, sprinkles, etc. Instructions. 1. Activate yeast. In a bowl, combine warm milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, and yeast. Let sit 5 to 10 minutes until frothy. 2. Make dough. In a large bowl or stand mixer, mix flour, remaining sugar, and salt. Add yeast mixture, melted butter, and egg. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead 5 to 7 minutes by hand or with a dough hook until smooth and elastic. Add flour sparingly if too sticky. 3. First rise. Place dough in a greased bowl, cover with a cloth, and let rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours, until doubled. 4. Shape doughnuts. Roll dough to 1/2 inch 1.3 centimeters thickness on a floured surface. Use a donut cutter or 2 round cutters 3 inch and 1 inch. Place shapes on parchment-lined trays. Cover and let rise 30 to 45 minutes until puffy. 5. Fry. Heat 2 to 3 inches of oil in a heavy pot Dutch oven to 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer. Fry 2 to 3 doughnuts at a time, 1 to 2 minutes per side, until golden. Drain on paper towels. 6. Coat. While warm, roll in cinnamon sugar or dip in glaze. For glaze, mix powdered sugar and milk until smooth. Add vanilla or cocoa for flavor. Tips: variations. Baked option. Use a donut pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Less traditional texture. Fillings. Inject with jam or custard using a piping bag. Storage. Best fresh. Reheat day-old doughnuts in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Safety. Monitor oil temperature closely to avoid burning or greasy doughnuts. Enjoy warm with coffee or milk. Doughnut sparkles.